What up guys, Ben Oberg here, the 5 must-do tips to making money online. And in this video, I'm gonna be giving you a bonus tip that has made me an infinite amount of money. And I'm going to explain the exact process where you can start immediately implementing these. There's no guesswork, this is no trial and tribulation, this isn't hypothetical, it works. 5 must-do tips for making money online in any business in 2020. What up guys, Ben Oberg here, really excited in this video to share with you 5 quick must-do tips to making money online. And they are so fundamentally basic, you can do every single one of these. Tip 1, use an SF. What's an SF? It's a sales funnel. The reason you want to be using a sales funnel is because it gives one specific offer. What you want to be doing here is looking at your market and identifying what is the problem that they face, okay? What is that number one problem? You want to be able to create a landing page. The very first page they see literally addresses that problem. Maybe their problem is learning how to make money online. So your landing page says how to make money online in 2020, even if you're brand new, even if you're a beginner. It gives them a couple incentives to why they should do business with you, and you're giving them some sort of free offer guide, ebook, something like that. This could be in the fitness niche, it could be a weight loss supplement, you could be in e-commerce selling one specific product that you've identified the market really wants, and in exchange for giving them more information on what you already know that they want, they're going to give you their email. Use a sales funnel. The reason this is so important is because it's trackable. All good leads buy, but not all good leads buy right away. And when you have a sales funnel, you're able to retarget, you're able to actually go in, dive deeper, and figure out how to get somebody to become a buyer and do business with you, even if they didn't in the first place. With a generic website, you give people 20, 30, 40, 50 different options, which confuses and overwhelms. So tip 1, use a sales funnel. If you want to learn more about sales funnels, I've included a link in the description for you to learn more about sales funnels, where I go very in-depth and teach you exactly how to create sales funnels. Now, tip 2 is have upsells. I want to explain this really quickly, and before I do, make sure you smash that like button, and if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, I would encourage you to subscribe to the channel. I am dropping multiple videos every single week. We upload every single day, sometimes twice daily. I'm live on Mondays here on YouTube in the Ozone, where I bring you on, I talk to you about entrepreneurship. This channel is about salesmanship, entrepreneurship, building a brand, and 8-figure success. You do not want to operate at a 6-figure per year level, let alone a 7-figure per year level. I want you to build wildly profitable online businesses. Maybe you want to take your brick and mortar online. Highly suggest you subscribe to this channel. So tip 2 is have upsells. The reason that you want to have upsells is because, think of it this way, okay? As soon as somebody does business with me, for example, the ice is broken, okay? So over here, they were skeptical, and here's me, and I'm trying to get them, my head sideways, I'm trying to get them to do business with me. Reality is, once they decide to do business with me, this layer of ice is broken, okay? There's a layer of ice between you and your customers, okay? And they don't want to suffocate, they don't want to come through this layer because they are afraid that they might get scammed. They're afraid, what if it doesn't work? What if I buy this product and it doesn't work for me? What if I actually spend money and invest in this service and they don't fulfill their promises? So the better you do at making somebody feel good about doing business with you and liking you and building a relationship. Remember, people buy from people that they like and trust. People buy from people that they know, okay? So once you've developed that relationship, that ice is broken. Now, sometimes trying to get somebody to do business with you costs money, especially if you're running ads and things like that, which I highly suggest you start getting into and learning how. We'll make another video for that and upload it for you guys as well. But the reality is, once that ice is broken, it's broken. It makes it easier to go to the next product, the next service, okay? They're already doing business with you. I had a client that spent $495 with me on a product that was normally $1,000. It was a discount deal, okay? I was on a call with them the other day. I've never heard of them before. I actually don't even remember or know how they came into my business. I think it was running ads. I ran cold ads. I spent some money. I probably lost money in making them and getting the sale and acquiring their business. $495, but 3 weeks later, no, sorry, it was 6 weeks later, we're doing an $8,000 deal. The ice is broken. All right, the ice is broken. They already got in. They realized, hey, this guy knows some stuff. He's treating me well. I'm doing business with him. I was skeptical before, and now that there's none of that there, it's real easy for me to go to 8K. It's real easy. Have upsells. It increases the ROI of your business. It creates more sustainability, and it creates for longer term successes. It instills that your business has a strong foundation and it will continue to be here, okay? Tip 3 is follow up. You always want to make sure that you're following up, okay? Here's something I want you to write down. All good leads buy, but not all good leads buy right away, okay? I don't know why I made like 12 dots on there. All good leads buy, but all good leads buy right away. A lot of people do not follow up. Statistically, for example, in the car business, 83% of consumers that visited a dealership and left without buying a car say that they were never followed up with by their sales consultant. Now, I spent 4 years in the car business. For the 83% of the car guys, if you're watching this, that did that, I closed your customers on a car deal with me because I always followed up. I always followed up. I am the king of follow up. I don't know if this is the shirt. What does this one say? No, what does it say? Oh yeah, get money, keep money, whatever. Okay, I have a shirt that says work the deal till they buy or die, because I believe in working to earn a client's business until I deserve it. And maybe you don't deserve it up front, okay? The reality is there's only 2 reasons why people don't buy right away, okay? You didn't convince them, it's the wrong product. It's usually that. You didn't convince them, it's the wrong product. It's usually not a matter of money. Price doesn't sell, value sells. In an absence of value, you never sell. Increase value, you don't have to lower price. Increase value, you'll sell. A lot of times, you just didn't figure out farther up in the process what their hot buttons were, okay? You didn't figure out what it is that makes their clock tick, okay? You didn't address their concerns. So by not following up, it's really selfish, okay? Some people are like, oh, they didn't buy on to the next one. No, you didn't work your deal, okay? All good leads buy, but all good leads don't buy right away. There's a reason that this population, say there's 100 people in here that saw your offer and didn't buy right away. Sure, some of them are skeptical as heck and will never buy. They literally will never buy from you, from anybody. There is a population of that, but that's actually the smallest population. The biggest population of people here are, you didn't answer their questions, okay? They're still skeptical, okay? And they're not sure if the product is right for them. These can all turn into deals. You just need to follow up, okay? Now, if you're loving this video so far, once again, please smash that like button. And I'd love to know from you guys in the comments, what do you feel is the thing that you're lacking in the most? There's no judgment here. I want to be able to help you guys, and I want to be able to use it as a teaching topic to help you guys make more money online and to be able to make money online in 2020 with your business, because I do want it to be profitable and I do want you to get the most results out of your business possible, okay? So go ahead and drop in the comments. Let me know, what do you feel that you struggle or lack with in your business model when it comes to making money online? Let me know. I reply to every single one of my comments, okay? Now the next thing is RTGT. What is RTGT? That is retargeting, okay? Retargeting goes along the same lines of following up, okay? When you have a sales funnel, tip number one, I think I stuttered there, tip number 1 must do to make money online, you're acquiring and collecting emails, okay? When you're collecting emails, you're able to retarget, okay? Part of following up is retargeting. So you've got somebody that came in on day 1 here, and let's say that day 1 there was 500 people that opted in, gave you their email. Over the next XYZ amount of time, let's say this is 30 days here, you want to retarget them with emails, okay? Your emails cater to the objections that you are finding that they might have, incentivize them as to why they should do business with you, stimulate in them a reason to reply to the email so you can engage in conversation with them, and overall it works to build a relationship with them so you can get along with them better and hopefully turn them into money. Understand what I'm saying? Okay, so you want to be able to retarget. Now, another cool thing about retargeting is, say now I've been in business for 2 years, okay? I've been in business for 4 years, almost 4 years online with Millionaire Mafia. We did $2.3 million in 2019, looking to go for 8 figures in 2020. I know we'll hit it, super excited about that. Let's say that I have accumulated 100,000 people on an email list. Not only can I retarget them through emails, but I can actually upload all these emails to Facebook. I can also upload all of them to YouTube, all right? and I can run ads directly to people that have already subscribed to my email list. Now, this is a very effective cost to market because they're not cold. They have heard of me, they're in my bubble, they know me to some sort of extent. There's deals in here. You got to realize that on average, when you're emailing them, maybe only 10 to 20% of this population are actually opening. So there's 80, 90,000 people here. Running ads to them and retargeting through ads is just another way where I can get back in front of them because I'm not getting in front of all of them in my email retargeting. So it just gives me another way. Always retarget, okay? Now, tip number 5. Tip number 5. What do I mean by tip number 5? You guys might have been staring at it on the board here. Results. Very important. If you want to stay in business, work to create results for your clients, okay? Whether you're in e-commerce selling a product that gets shipped to them, follow up with them. Make sure they love it. Give them bonus incentives. If they do business with you 3 times, put them on a VIP list, invite them. Send them a handwritten letter, okay? Ask them how they're doing. Follow up with them. If you're selling a car and it's been a year since they bought it, send them a birthday card. It's 1 year anniversary for your car's birthday since you bought Betty. Maybe they named their car, okay? Maybe it's actually their birthday. Follow up with them, okay? Ask them how everything's going. Work to get them results. Maybe you help them make money online. Maybe you help them create profits with e-commerce, okay? Do something that's going to enable them to get more results. Work with them to create more results. Results speak volumes. People like to hear from other people that they feel are just like them, that had a problem that they had, and they want to be able to know that. I was talking with a guy yesterday. He's like, man, I want to start a brand around fitness. This is what I mean, okay? I want to start a brand around fitness. And I was like, hey, tell me why you want to do that. He's like, well, dude, I used to weigh 130 pounds. Now I'm 175 pounds. I used to be like a pipe cleaner, a stick. Now I'm confident. I actually want to talk to girls. I enjoy working out and I'm happy with my body. When I take my shirt off, I don't feel like a piece of flub at the beach. And I'm like, man, that angle is going to convince so many people. When you're selling your program, when you're teaching them, when you're bringing them into your fitness brand, and you hit the, I used to be a stick, now I put on weight, I'm confident, and I can talk to girls. That's like 3 things that every guy that's like a little bit self-confident about their fitness level wants to hear. And it's like, okay, taking somebody that's gone up to here, is an everyday normal guy. I can do it too. When you help get those type of results for your clients, whatever the niche is, you want to capture those results. You want to be known for those results. You want to plaster them on your sales pages, the testimonials. You want to capture people on video and distribute those videos to everybody on your email list that you're running ads to, because here's somebody that was just like them, is just like them, that got the results they want. And it'll help to grow your brand because you'll be known for getting results and not just selling. It'll justify you to be able to keep selling, and it will keep you in business. Now, tip number 6, okay? I love this one. This is bonus tip number 6. Guys, be different, be cool. Everybody's got their own signature to making money online, all right? Everybody's got their own mannerisms. Everybody's got their way, their style. Put your signature on your brand. This is very important, okay? If you're boring, you're not going to stay in business. If you're boring, you're not going to stay in business. People want to be able to connect with you. They want to love your humor. They want to love how serious you are, that you don't sugarcoat anything. Maybe how politically incorrect you are. Maybe how you don't swear at all. I swear often, so I'm not that guy, okay? Put your own signature on what it is that you do. Put your signature on it. Put your taste on it. Put your mark on it. Put your brand like you would on a cattle on a ranch back in 1873 or something like that. Put your brand on it because people want to be able to connect with people. People buy from people that they like. In order for them to like you, do something to be liked.